New Zealand Masters Games was first started in 1989. A group of people from here in Wanganui got together and wanted to do something for the community, some sporting event for the community, and it has just grown ever since. In terms of pride and participation, these games are absolutely amazing for Wanganui. There are people that come back year in, year out as participants, as supporters, as volunteers, so it just does phenomenal things for the city.
The Games mean to Wanganui that we have an ability to be able to showcase our region. We've got some amazing beaches, we've got some fantastic cafes, we've got the New Zealand Glassworks, some really creative art studios. We've also got amazing mountain to the sea, beautiful scenery, so it's just fantastic, and I'm really proud to be able to showcase our region.
In terms of the benefits to the community, events such as the New Zealand Masters Games really help us to create an active, healthy town. The sporting communities thrive from this. And in terms of visitors that come to visit Wanganui to participate in the Masters Games, to see what we have, it then in turn makes us a wealthy town. It's a wonderful partnership.
It was just over 100 years ago. There was a young boy at Wanganui Technical College, and his name was Arnold Downer. He went on in the 1930s to establish a business down in Wellington, and it turned into what you know as Downer today. I think he'd be pretty chuffed to see us here sponsoring this great event.
Downer's contribution has been absolutely priceless in terms of operations, collateral and support just in terms of people on the ground. They've held our hand every step of the way.
So the 2019 Masters this year in Wanganui come along with our local Golden Oldies Rugby Club. We don't really get up to much in the summer, so we decided to keep a wee bit fit. So we've got ourselves out playing touch. We thought it's a great opportunity to build relationships and make some more friends within the wider sporting community.
The local Downer team have sort of assisted me and certainly encouraged me to be an active participant, which is good for me and it's good for the local community and the company.
I think we're reasonably competitive as people in our industry, and there could be a fair bit of competition between branches and between different regions. I noticed that the Waka Arm are coming up in the weekend. There's a fair bit of competition in that. Giving guys a chance and a bit of a niggle saying, hey, how'd you like to come and play against us? Gets them competitive and gets that relationships in the company, gets you to meet new people in the company. So get out there, get involved. I believe next year's in Dunedin, so we'll certainly be going down to Dunedin. So we'll look forward to seeing more Downers people down there.
It's my great pleasure, 30 years after the first one, to declare the Downer New Zealand Masters Games 2019 open.